What's up everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be making a sweet and spicy salmon stir-fry dish. If you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright, so to begin we're going to start off with our list of ingredients. You're going to need 1 7-ounce salmon fillet, 1 cup of white onions, 1.5 cups of broccoli, 1 cup of yellow bell pepper, 1 cup of red bell pepper, 1 cup of oyster mushrooms, and 1 lemon. 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1/4 cup of Sriracha, rice wine vinegar, we actually left this out, ½ tablespoon chili flakes, and a dash of accent, ½ cup of soy sauce, and 1/4 cup of honey. Now let's begin prepping. Alright, go ahead and grab a bowl and we're going to add ½ cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup of Sriracha, or you can cut this in half if you don't like it too hot, 1/4 cup of honey, ½ tablespoon of chili flakes, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Go ahead and give this a mix. Make sure to give it a taste. We added a little more sugar because it needed some more sweetness. Go ahead and mix this up. Alright, time to season our fish. Olive oil for a binder. Salt, pepper to taste. Make sure to season both sides. Alright, now it's time to saute our veggies. Go ahead and add some oil to the pan. Get our onions in there. Add your broccoli. Bell peppers. Give that a good mix. We're going to add our lemon now. Give that a good mix. Now we add our mushrooms. Cook that down for a couple minutes. Alright, so now we're going to add our sauce. We're going to cook this down for a couple minutes. It will thicken up. So we'll keep it on the heat for a little bit and then we'll move it to the side. Go ahead and give that a good mix. Get all these flavors incorporated. Alright, so now we're going to kill the heat, put it to the side, and get ready to fry our fish. Alright, now we're going to get our cast iron, preheat it till it reaches a smoking point. And now it's time to fry our fish. We're going to let this go for 2 to 3 minutes per side on medium-high heat. You're going to want to fry it till we get a nice golden brown color. Go ahead and give that a flip. We'll finish cooking off the fish on this side. Alright, fish looks pretty good. Time to pull it off and get ready for plating. Okay guys, so for plating we're going to go ahead and start with our rice. We're going to add our sauteed veggies with the sauce on top of the rice. Make sure to drizzle this sauce all around the rice. All this good flavor. And now, top it off with the salmon. Garnish with lemon on the side. A little bit of green onions on top. Sesame seed on top, optional of course. And there you have it. Go ahead and give this a try. I hope you guys like it and enjoy it, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.